Saturday, November 5th. And there's two things you need to do tonight, okay, before you go to bed. One, buy your ticket for Fiberside Chat to hear Birger Berge. He's going to talk about Norwegian knitting traditions and give you all kinds of hints about how to do the patterning techniques that they use. So it will be a wonderful, wonderful hour to spend right in your own living room at 1 o'clock on Sunday. But you have to buy your ticket tonight, okay? $20. Go to bellafilati.com, click on events, Fiberside Chats, buy your $20 ticket. Perfect. The other thing you have to do, and I still have to do, go buy a Powerball ticket. What? 1.6 billion with a B? What? You got to be in it to win it. So, you got to go buy a ticket or two or three. Who knows? Could be us, right? Amazing. All right, let's talk about yarn. So today, I finally got in the 5th color of this yarn that I showed you a while ago, but I love these bright colors and they are so much fun. So this is by Katya. It is called Wow Chunky, and it would make a perfect hat. One ball. It's $14.95, and it comes in blue. It comes in hot pink. It comes in turquoise. It comes in lime green. And last but not least, the one I got in today, orange, highlighter orange. This is the color that hunters like to wear in a hat in the woods during deer season. And deer season is open. They'd use it for turkeys too and stuff like that. But if you want to knit your buddy, your friend who's a hunter, a great gift, knit them a neon orange hat. I got it for you. Call me. I'll send it to you. All right. And then we also have Bergen by Lang, which is in neon colors. This is what it looks like, Bergen, and it's more of a patterning situation. But I've got lime and lime green. I have royal blue with yellow. I have royal blue with pink and purple. I have royal blue with green. And I have orange and yellow. And now to go with all of those, you know, I have pom-poms, right? Fabulous pom-poms. All right, fantastic with that one or with this one. Perfect. Or for fun, this one. Love it. Then the orange. Perfect for the orange. I don't think your hunter wants a pom-pom, but who knows? Maybe your child would. So that's awesome. And last but not least, the lime green goes with this. Can't lose them in the woods. Tell me, can't lose them at the fair or in the park or this. Telling you, I have got the pom-pom and the hat for you. Knit it fast and furious. So much fun. Remember, your hunter friends. This is it. It's a perfect gift. Love it. All right. I got to go. I got to go buy my Powerball ticket or 2 or 3. And if I win, I'll still see you Monday. I promise. I'm not going anywhere. All right. I'll give a lot away. That'll be good. All right. Have a great weekend. Peaceful, prayerful, calm, rejuvenative Sunday. All right. I'll see you Monday.